Happy New Year, everyone. If you are seeing my face for the first time, I am Dr. Ben Asma. I'm a lecturer in a nursing university here in Poland. I'm also a nursing graduate from Poland, and I'm registered in Malta and in UK. This year, one of my goals is by the end of the year, I should be able to do 10 pull-ups at a time and also run more. Now, I know you have your own goals, but if you are a nursing graduate or a nursing student, I want to suggest one more goal for you. If you are not registered as a nurse in any country, this year make it a goal to get registered either in Malta or in UK. I know it's getting harder to secure a job as a nurse, but whether you want to go to Canada through a postgraduate certificate course, or you want to register as a nurse in New Zealand or Australia, or even if you want to go to these rapidly recruiting countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, or other Gulf countries, the basic requirement is to be registered in your home country or be registered with another council. The good news is, if you're a Polish or EU graduate, it's very easy for us to be registered in Malta or in UK, which will qualify us for other opportunities in other countries. Now, if you don't know how, I've started a small company here in Poland called Global Nursing Assist. This is our website. If you're a nursing graduate or a nursing student and you want to get registered in these countries this year, comment RN or DM me and I will help you to achieve your goal this year. To summarize this video, to access a lot of opportunities as a nurse, you cannot just access them with your degree. You need to be registered at least in one country. As Polish graduates, the easiest countries to get registered in are Malta or UK. As I said earlier, the only thing you need is IELTS. And yes, we are here to help you pass IELTS also. For more information about the registration process and the requirement for Malta and UK, you can check my YouTube video. I have a lot of videos there, and I have a lot of videos coming up about IELTS, UK registration, and even NCLEX registration. This is Dr. Ben Asma. Can't stop, won't stop. Happy New Year, everyone.